Why does your scanner show the P1457 engine code? What does it mean? P1457 is a diagnostic trouble code for Evaporative Emissions Control System, Leakage, EVAP Canister System. The P1457 engine code indicate your vehicle's computer detected a leak or airflow issue in the charcoal canister side of the EVAP system, preventing it from properly sealing and holding a vacuum. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed or corroded canister vent, leaking EVAP purge, cracked or loose EVAP, faulty bypass or two-way valve, damaged fuel tank pressure sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.